Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi driver missing on Windows 11. So first of all, what you have to do is hit the Windows key on your keyboard and type in Device Manager. Hit enter. It will open this window. Now what you have to do is find network adapters. You have to click on this button. In this list you have to find your Wi-Fi network adapter. Now for instance, if this is your Wi-Fi network adapter, what you have to do is check if it's enabled or disabled. So you can right click. So if it's disabled, you can click on enable device, but if it's already enabled, then what you can do is right click network adapters and click on scan for hardware changes and check if the problem is fixed or not. But if you're not able to see this button called scan for hardware changes, you can go to the actions. Here you'll be able to see scan for hardware changes and check if this option solves the issue or not. But if the problem is still not fixed, then what you can do is go to the view section and check for show hidden devices, and it will show you all the hidden Wi-Fi adapters, and check if your Wi-Fi adapters is hidden on this list. As you can see now, I'm able to see my Wi-Fi network adapter. This is my original and it is not disabled, and I will click on scan for hardware changes. Now check if your problem is fixed or not. But if the problem is still not fixed, then what you can do is go to the settings of your window and then go to the network and internet here, and then what you have to do is go to the advanced network settings and click on network reset and click on reset now. Click on yes. After your network has been reset, what you have to do is simply restart your PC and hopefully your problem will be fixed. And that's simply how you can fix Wi-Fi driver missing problem in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.